Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, Matt Karit. So for this video presentation, our topic is about changing percent to fraction. Okay. So we have rule to change a percent to a fraction. Drop the percent symbol and write the original number over 100. Simplify the fraction to lowest term. Okay. So we have our example here. 62%. Okay, so it says you will just drop the percent symbol. It becomes now 62 10 over 100. Then simplify this fraction. So how to simplify? We'll just divide the numerator by 2 as well as the denominator also by 2. Okay, so 62 divided by 2, that is 31. Then 100 divided by 2, that is 50. Okay, so that is how to change percent to fractions. This is the final answer.